Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming core prerequisites. Update Roblox and your OS so both share compatible APIs. Once done, close heavy background apps to free CPU and RAM because crashes often arise from resource contention. Next, clear the Roblox cache and temporary files so corrupted cached assets can't trigger failures. Make sure to restart the computer after clearing cache. This ensures file handles release and drivers reinitialize, which reduces immediate crash causes and prepares the system for deeper fixes. You now tackle deeper causes. Update your graphics drivers with the vendor's clean install option, since driver quirks are common crash sources. Once updated, run DirectX diagnostic tools or the Mac OS graphics check to confirm graphics APIs aren't failing. Reinstall runtimes if diagnostics show errors. Then, make sure security software isn't quarantining Roblox by adding explicit exceptions or briefly disabling it for a test, because false positives can kill processes. Finally, test on a wired network to rule out packet loss or NAT problems that you finish by reinstalling the Roblox client cleanly. Uninstall, delete leftover Roblox folders, then run the official installer. Once installed, run Roblox as administrator and set compatibility mode if you're on an older OS because permission or compatibility issues can cause crashes. If problems persist, perform a clean boot to isolate third-party conflicts and collect the client. Log for analysis. Key troubleshooting tip. If crashes continue after all steps, reproduce the crash, save logs, then contact Roblox support with logs and system specs for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.